Alright, so today we will be changing out the spark plugs in my car, my RSX, dude. Gotta replace these bad boys. I don't know when the last time that they were changed or anything, so we're just gonna go ahead and replace them. We got the Laser Iridium Premium. Apparently they're supposed to be good for Hondas, so we're gonna change it out for a Honda. And it's really cold out here because it's Ohio and it's gonna snow in like an hour or two. Not really, but you get my point. It's Ohio. And
won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're around.
don't mind me just sitting in your face. It's easier. We will find out.
Why? She told me it's not your fault, but you don't realize that I never wonder what's the truth in your eyes.
I think pretty neat, or I think I can get about another 5 more miles out of them bad boys. I think. Toasted. Toasted. And they're hot. Toasted. Some things look 100% beat. But we're going to go ahead and put the new ones in. Got the new ones. Gonna put the new bad boys in. They look good to me. Get this old spark plug on out. This one's broken. Let's see if it'll start. And Teddy, you're on point. See if this bad boy start up. We got the spark. Replacing the spark plug. We're all good. All good. Placed all of them boys. All good to roll. What you got there?
I don't know. Apparently how to make a straight cut. Dude, I'm gonna bust myself.
Do you want to be on TV?
What?
Hey, why'd the screen turn off?
Just count the back of it.
I wanna find myself, but again, it's always a phase. I wanted to stay, no you don't understand. I've been losing myself,
Like this on the car.
How you doing, Lizzie? You're... Oh shit, dog.
just gonna pretty much sit like that.
Yeah.
Find the peace in me. I wanna be. I wanna be. I wanna find myself and again. It's always a phase. I wanted to stay. No, you don't understand. I've been losing myself. I've been losing myself.
$8,000, dude. And it's got all the work done to it, and you know it does. I don't know. You got what? Another 6 months till it needs injectors again.
Okay. Came from Ben.
Joe, you know who Arn Anderson is? How do you not know who Arn Anderson is?
How do you not know who
WWE. Oh my god. No. Fucker.
I don't know.
Good ass wrestler, dude.
I never heard of
It was before your time.
it. Oh, yeah, in my time.
Actually, before your time, he's like 70.
Well,
When have I seen him?
YouTube.
You're 20?
I wanna find